I'm here, guys. I was hoping my one of my buds would get on so we could play some Warframe, but I'm not sure he's actually gonna get on. Big Sag, big Sag. But hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna play maybe an hour or two, do an hour or two of vibe coding, and then I might get on Black Desert Online. Been a while since I did that, and then new schedule. Do 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 do. I need to get my trying to get everything scheduled on here. Okay, I'm on my channel. Need to do stream manager. Let me grab my chat. Pop that bad boy out, yeah. Pop it out, yeah. Pop that bad boy out, yeah. Okay. Okay, we got YouTube chat. We got Twitch chat. And maybe one day I'm gonna give Kick Chat another chance because normally Kick just trolls, man. Yep. As soon as I get on here, first chat I see. You wanna buy some views? I'm like, nah, bro. I don't want to do none of that. I'm over here trying to improve my application, bro. We in this bitch. We in this bitch. All right. Now Let us see it. So what are we doing here? So what I left off, I've added the build from source section. Okay. You know, I might use my own app here. Ready for... We'll use Claude Code directly to implement the audit it, but wish I could like double click a message section. Make things so much easier. I need to improve scrolling on these guys. Better yet, when we have our terminal made after I launch the 0.1 of this, we're gonna be extra good. Because the terminal is gonna be built to run this specifically. Just run CL tools like this in general. I'm trying to normalize this stuff again. I'm gonna have a. Do you have a slash? Do we have slash audit? We do not. I need to do that. I need to make like an audit one global. What I might do is make an audit tool for it. Because like all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this agent my dream agent, and then people who use it, they can use it with me and help me build it. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna make this great. So this is the puppeteer. Double check. Okay, yeah, so all the open code references have been removed from the docs. Yeah, I might use this one to look over the docs. I'll be like, next is CLI. Say, oh, I'm gonna chat. How would we improve this page to be more relevant to the project? You do whatever you want. Okay. Let us do bun. We do good old build all. Perfect. I think I want to implement the audit mode because we have plan. Because I feel like plan does well, and then we can add in a set of auditing tools. Because I feel like these modes would be, I don't know. These are modes that I would like to see in an agent. Like if I'm gonna use a CLI tool, like building is cool. Like I like build mode, but I want like an audit mode that is not planning, because I feel planning, it's planning. Chat, I just want to chat with it. I want to build with build. I want to audit with audit. I think that would be fine. I think that's one of the I'm gonna have it commit here though. You know, it might write a Kazuki. Is there anything in the .agent RC that we or settings that we could use to make sure that Kazuki here doesn't put in chat mode, doesn't accidentally commit or doesn't author a commit, accidentally add themselves as an author to commits. Gotta check for that. Because it lied about that one thing, but we'll go ahead and just switch context here. What does it say? The API key system has a solid foundation, but missing critical integrations prevent that. It says, but work well. Stripe integration broken. Feature gating missing. Share command. Documentation missing. Bro, if you don't add that information, oh my goodness. Here we go. We're gonna go into Ultra Think, create a plan to fully implement the following tasks and any to do / incomplete logic you find along the way. Did I accomplish? Okay, let me do like a summary. Hmm. There was logic that allowed it to commit. Okay. Say I wanted to add a true false. Yeah, boy, I had to have it in the past now. All right, what are you doing? Okay, thinking, finding stuff. Yeah, keep on searching. Based on my analysis of the current CLI documentation and the actual Kazuki implementation, here are several ways we can improve this. Okay, improvements, admin command serve, okay, agent, GitHub, MCP, model, stats. Ooh, do we have that? Let's see. I'm actually highly interested. Oh, I guess it's CLI, not slash commands. I'm goofy for that. Okay. Okay, so that's how you create agents. I need to add a way. So you do that there. Okay. We're going live. So what do we have here? Generates API key on subscription, sends emails with API keys, stores in KV when metadata, updates status on subscription changes. However, the remaining tasks still need to be completed. Status already implemented but needs verification. Okay. I believe I'm going to be using maybe Cloudflare. Can we send emails with this guy? Hmm. Probably. Yeah, let's go ahead and add that. What did you end up saying? You want a safety boolean to completely prevent Kasika from making any get commits automatically. I know we can do it. Let's see. I really like the chat mode. Chat mode's my favorite. See this? Say what up? Write your plan. Write plan to and I'm all good, fam. Just building my app up so that way I can get it shipped out here. Write the plan to blank, and I was gonna play Warframe with my buddy Caleb, but I guess he got busy. But it be like that. How are you, Sully? How are you? How is you? How is you? Getting ready for work? You staying ahead of the game? I feel you, man. You gotta stay ahead of the game. Can't let them put you back. Can't let them put you back. Simple sandwiches. Hey, simple sandwiches it is, man. It ain't nothing wrong with that. I need to slash a knit. I want to slash. I want to see slash the knit. Would I have to build it? It saves a ton. Yeah, it probably does. What even? You should get a rotisserie chicken. Where the heck did this go? Oh, it's riding. This is going to be helpful. I'm changing this whole thing up with my vision. I've never seen like anything like this before. Oh, there's an Agent RC. Kazuki. Okay. Yeah, this is clean. There needs to be a fast way to add information to a memory. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if I can spell. I probably his reference guide. Okay. I mean, guess. I'm guessing this would be effective. Studying right now, making some coffee. I gotta pass some tests at work. So big week. Hey, I got some coffee too. I might go get me some more. Stay with rule path files. Will that path follow the dots? You see people drink energy. Yeah, probably because they don't sleep. But yeah, regular black coffee is good. Hey, nope. Yeah, most definitely it is the healthiest option. But why do you want the healthiest option, dude? Why would you want to do that? Hmm. I don't really want to block that behind. I'm like, why are we adding this as a dang paid feature now? I never agreed to that. I guess I did put the bypass on and said, do what you want. Yeah. Yeah. Let's create a plan for that. Not even right. It's not even right. It's not even right. Is it right? It ain't right. It ain't right. It ain't right. Right. All right, so what happened was we had a issue where the API call error where the input length and max tokens exceeded context limit of this right here. So it most definitely, what is it, 32,000? So yeah, it most definitely hit the 200,000 limit and crashed. So what I'm trying to get it to do is to emulate this. Sully, I'm gonna figure out how to get the free AI stuff to work, And I'm going to get you to start building some AI apps. You're going to help me test this. You have no choice. Just kidding. Yeah, I reverse engineered part of their project, and then now we have Kazuki. I have the domain up and everything. Yeah, we're gonna become AI programmers together. You're gonna join my Louisville think tank, and we're gonna do it with AI agents like this. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this in quotes so it knows. Okay, play and remove pro gates from local features. I'll remove the pro subscription features from features that don't require server infrastructure. Yeah, dude, like it doesn't require server infrastructure. I'm not paying share sessions. This legitimately requires server costs. Revise the pro feature section to only list sharing. Update individual command docs from. Yeah, okay, philosophy. This aligns with community-driven principles. Only charge for features that incur actual costs. Keep all local functionality free and open. Encourages adoption and contribution. Yeah, that is what I want, boy. I don't want to charge people for things that they can get for free. Like, that's fucking stupid, man. We're going to try to give people shit for free. That's what we're doing here. Okay, so what does this here say? This is one of my other plans I got going. We got an ad coming up, guys, so just preparing you all for that. Get permission system for Kazuki. Implement a secure by default get permission system that prevents accidental commits while allowing users to grant permissions in different scopes. Yeah, this is what I want to add. Yeah, I'm doing all this. I'm doing all this with like the V1 point. I'm like, I want my shit to come out bussing before open code. Let's implement this. Especially now that I got this shit figured out. It's over. I'm a madman, dude. Don't let me figure shit out, bro. They taught me how to fucking code. It was over from then. I'm like, I'm going to do whatever. And then they came out with AI while I was over here trying to work and get my chops up. Mm-mm-mm. Do we have a command that Yo, Sully is a G. Got that energy out here. Cause he winning G. All right. So what does it say? We're in plan mode. We're in plan mode. We're in plan mode. We're playing mode. Okay. First, I'll help you improve the auto compact functionality to prevent context window crashes. Let me first examine the current limitation. Analyzes it. Analyzes it. Analyzes it. Analyzes it. Analyzes it. Session, snapshot, restore session, find token counting, estimation logic, tool registry, sessions, output token, yada yada yada. Based on the analysis, I can see the issue and propose a solution. Here's what I found. Current problem. The current auto compact logic, a package only checks after a response is received. If tokens not proactive. Wait, summarize. Recursive call. Oh, okay. This fails because it only triggers after getting token count from a completed response. By then, the next request might already exceed the limit. The error shows it's trying to add 32 to an already near limit context. Yep. So the pre-request token estimation. Before making any AI request, estimate the total token that will be sent. Conservative buffer. Use a larger safety margin, 85% instead of 90. Count tokens in the current user input and system message. Trigger summarization before the request, not after. Yes, for sure. Implementation plan. New proactive approach. Okay. So it says, so we have the message and new user input system prompt. So we estimate tokens by the text. What is this? Okay. Oh, that was just the function estimate. And then we got, okay, so message of messages, count, new user input, system prompt, add a buffer, modified chat, function with proactive checking, provider, proactive, estimate tokens before making a request, more conservative, down 5%, retry with summarized chat. So it says, yeah, I actually like this plan. Let's implement this plan. Plant. We got that and the CLI tool together. Maybe no. Try again. I might not be able to. I might have to like wait for this to get fixed, rebuild, and then try it again. Let's see. API keys. Oh yeah, we made an API keys page. I think we want to hide. Let's hide the IDE page temporarily. Yeah, I want to hide that. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna get some coffee. 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 Alrighty, I am back. Okay, we need to update the modes. I think that is. Yeah, I'll update builds. Need to go ahead and do that. That way, everything is good to go. I'm trying to get everything solid. Some would say I'm doing too much, but I want it. I need it this way. Okay. What is even it? Modes? Keybind, LSP server, models, modes. Okay. Okay, that's supposed to. I guess we can ask what would cause this. Looking at the available tools in the chat mode, I don't see a direct command for writing information or rules or memory from chat. The chat mode is read only and doesn't include, okay, I know. But in chat mode, I can read, I cannot write. Potential switch to work mode. Okay. Manual note taking patterns, add role, session memory via KB. Would you like to exit chat mode so I can demonstrate rules or? Hmm. Um, I would like to work on a memory tool that would be used to alter the rules of in the dot agent RC. And it would be used for used with all tools as a base tool. I really like the chat mode just because you just chatting to it. You know what I'm saying? Probably not the best way to use your Claude Code Max, right? But who cares? Better than using dang API, right? I mean, I guess you could use your API too. Modes. Already did that. We got here. We're doing that. That is the puppeteer. Try again. What were we even doing here? Yeah, it's gonna stop. Yeah, I was like, what are you doing, bro? Hmm. Let's investigate that. Okay, this one here. So I need to see if. Okay, we're gonna go down one. No, down two. Okay. Yeah, you did implement it. Okay. So I had. How do I want to say this? I had the agent in another session have have another go after you implemented this fix. I'm wondering, are there other places that handle the summarize slash compact? I got 3 summaries. Can't spell, doesn't matter. Hopefully it man, that rain is crazy right now. This is the puppeteer one, right? Yeah, this is puppeteer. I keep going back to this one. Yeah, this one. CLI page got updated. Okay, we can make easy agents, models, goes to GitHub, information, debug, stats. Okay. Share was done correctly. Modes. Oh, yeah, I was trying to update modes, wasn't I? Oh yeah, this is doing the Git. Wait, did two of them get fused? Or did I send it somewhere else? Oh, this is the one I'm doing to add memory. Okay, I was getting confused. I was like, wait a minute. What am I doing? Why you should work on one feature at a time. Memory tool design, add rules, update existing rules, remove outdated rules, categorize rules, link to document files. Hmm. Okay, so what is the issue? Go to the top. Issue. See that there's multiple places where summarization happens. Take a look at the server. Validator. Now, let me check if the any keyboard shortcuts that UI they might call in summarize multiple times. TUI code either and keyboard combines. Okay. Let me look at the summarize function more closely. Problem might be that the summarize function itself is making the AI request. That could also trigger the proactive check, creating a recursive loop. Okay, I found the issue. The problem is that the summarize function itself calls stream text directly, bypassing the chat function, so it doesn't go through the proactive token checking. However, the summarization request itself is too large. It will still hit the context limit. The issue is in the summarization function at line yada 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 filtered even after filtering the message since the last summary. If there are still too many messages, the summarization request itself can exceed the context limit. Here are the potential issues. Recursive summarization. If the proactive check triggers summarization, but the summarization itself fails due to the context limit, it could trigger another summarization attempt. Large filtered messages. The filtered message since last summary might still be too large for the summarization request. Multiple triggers. There might be multiple places triggering the summarization simultaneously. Let me check if there's a way to prevent recursive summarization and add better protection to the summarization function itself. Okay, the issue is that the so we have filter, model, app info. Okay, so the issue is that the summarize function needs its own token checking and potentially needs to be more aggressive about what it includes. Here are the problems I can see. No token limit checking in summarize. The summarize function doesn't check if the filtered messages plus system prompts exceed the context limit. Potential for large filtered sets. If there have been many messages since the last summary, filtered could still be huge. Recursive calls. A proactive check calls chat input recursively after summarization, which could trigger another proactive check if the summarization didn't reduce the tokens enough. Recommendations to fix this. Add tokens check-ins to the summarization function itself. Implement progressive summarization. If even the filtered message are too large, summarize in chunks. Add a recursion guard to prevent infinite summarization loops. More aggressive filtering in the summarize function that context is very full. How optimized is this approach, and can we search for an optimized approach? Oop. Now, if I go into chat mode and I'm like, can you? Ooh. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to make an audit tool for this guy. Yeah. Have it watch itself. Okay. Okay, so what is it? Let's go back up here. Great question. Let me analyze current approach and explore optimized strategies. Current approach issues, crew token estimation, using character count, 3 point very rough, full message processing, converting all messages to model format is expensive. Reactive summarization still relies on expensive full summarization, no incremental management, all or nothing approach. Recursive risk can trigger multiple summarizations. Ultra optimized approaches. Sliding window with smart retention. Instead of summarizing everything, maintain a sliding window of recent messages with intelligent retention of important context. Guess we can try that out. Add message, oldest compressive needed. Keep oldest messages to compress history. Only keep last in messages of critical ones. Hierarchical compression. Use multiple levels of compression instead of binary. Keep summarize. Okay, Semitic importance scoring. Score messages by importance and keep the most relevant. Track tokens incrementally instead of calculating everything. Predictive context management. Future token needs base conversion. Get a full summarization. Use differential compression. Okay, most promising sliding window for semantic compression, real-time token tracking, maintaining running token count, no recalculation, tier retention, last 10 messages full detail, last 50 messages compressed, remove tool outputs, only decisions, older messages, semantic summary only, smart triggers, compression at 70% capacity, not 85%, differential updates, only process new content, not entire history. Context caching, cache stable system context, only update volatile parts. This would be 10 to 100 times more efficient than current approach because no expensive full context for calculation, no recursive summarization loops, predictive rather than reactive, leverages model caching optimally, maintains conversion quality while being token efficient. How does this 15% reduction hurt context when building a project? That's all I want to know. Context pinning. Mark critical context as never summarized. Progressive compression, light compression at 75%, heavy at 85%, emergency at 95%. Okay, session splitting. Suggest breaking complex tasks into focused sessions. Optimal threshold recommendation based on the analysis. I suggest 70. Okay, reactive summarization, smart content rather than just time based summarization. This would give a approximate 26k safety buffer while preserving more. The 50% reduction is quite significant for complex project building. It's like losing 30-45 minutes of detailed conversation history, which often contains the architectural understanding that makes the AI most effective. But yes, I want to know how. Okay, so then how would this work with... Gotta keep asking it questions, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, okay. 85% complete. Chat mode rocks. Okay, so it's really hard to scroll when he's typing. So I stop. Okay. Exactly. Okay, so excellent question. The hybrid sliding window plus semantic compression approach would be dramatically better for project building. Let me break down how it would work and why it would preserve critical context much more effectively. One, multi-tier context management, private recent messages, compression recent, semantic, knowledge, print context, how it preserves project building context, architectural understanding. These get marked as critical and never compress anyways. Critical, okay, project structure analysis. Okay, example of what stays pinned. This project uses a repository pattern with user repository service. Critical, never compressed, true. Recent working memory, tier 1 full detail. Semantic compression. Instead of losing context, it gets intelligent compressed. Okay, semantic fact. Let's go with it. Context reconstruction. When the AI needs to understand the project, it reconstructs context from all tiers. Real world project building example. Project 30K tokens used, traditional approach, all 30 tokens in raw form, hybrid approach. Total 11K versus 30K, but semantically richer. Implementation 60 tokens used. Would start losing 1 hour context, hybrid 18K, but contains more useful information than 60K raw. Let's try it. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. These approach would eliminate the I forgot we were building problem while staying well within the token limits and actually improving the AI's understanding of your project overall to over time. You know what? I trust Claude. I trust Claude. This is Kazuki. This is no longer open code. Create a plan to implement this feature. Bro, I'm gonna come. We're gonna get out here swinging. I'm gonna stop adding stuff. I just wanted to fix the dang context window because that's one thing that just irks me. So what is this here? Create a plan to implement this. Memory tool implementation plan. Core infrastructure foundation. Create a memory tool structure. Memory. Read, write, agent RC file, parse and validate. Okay, basic CRUD operation for the rule. Define memory schema. Excuse me, update RGC schema. Okay, backwards compatible migration, function resisting. Okay, register tool, memory, basic operation, add memory, list memory, move memory. Okay, link, validation, smart features, rule intelligence, session memory, documentation integrations, just document files for complex rules, team collaboration, AI integration, smart categorize, implementation order, week 1 foundation. We're implementing this all tonight. Actually, nah. We'll probably implement it in features. Now we can go into build mode. Let's have it right. Plan to at KB. And begin building. Oh wait, it went to Sonnet 4? What? I thought we were in Opus. I thought we were in Opus. Maybe we switch somewhere else. We're gonna write plan to the KB dir and implement and audit the full logic and complete all to dos. That's all I'm gonna say. Keep it short and sweet. Yeah, I am not having implemented that. Okay, this is the one that was being goofy. Oh yeah, I had you redo the CLI. Okay, you're gonna write the plan. Okay, yeah, so you're writing the memory tool. No. You're writing the hybrid context window semantic compression. This is the memory tool. I think Opus is doing some work here. Oh yeah, you're working. We're all working here. Dope. Yeah, let me move you to the bottom. And I'll move you up one. You know what? I'm gonna have it improve modes. Oh no, that's what I had. Which one were you? One of these. You know what? Update to fit to be aligned with our project. I only got 15 minutes anyways, and I'm gonna switch over and play some BDO. I might do 20 minutes, do 2 hours of this, and then play some Black Desert. Sag. Oh yeah, this is the CLI tool. I was gonna use you to do that, but we use Sonnet 4 in in the app. I'm pretty sure there is no haiku 4. Um so I'm gonna say but we do use haiku what is it 3.5 in the app. You're tripping, bro. You're tripping. Tripping. Storage is declared but never used, improving auto compact strategy for context management. My goodness, brother, I seen you add a to do. Boy, I'm over here like, make sure to complete them dang to dos. App uses Claude Sonnet 4, uses encode. I'll update the most, fix the mo names. I don't want to do that. Like 3. I want to add. So I want to update the built in section and add the chat mode we have. And that is it. That's all I want to do. All right, Bucko, you're riding. I ain't gonna mess with you. Message is declared but never read. Interesting. I probably should have committed before this, so that way I know. I've just been going yellow. I want to try chatting with like haiku, like switch a model, go down to haiku, chat with it, and then go up. Dude, those to-dos are sending me. Ooh, a cadabra. Gotta get abra. Boom, bada bing. We gonna throw that way. I always wonder what's the difference between chat and plan. Let me ask you, what is the difference between chat and plan? Okay, that works. I like that explanation. Oh, okay. So plan can still write to to-dos. Okay, chat can't do any of that. Right, dope. Agents. I haven't done anything to change agents. Um, I'll put you in plan mode, and we're going to see. Do we need to update any of the info here? Ultra think. Ultra think apparently lets you see like the thinking. I like looking at it. What do we got here? Excellent. Let me create a final summary to get permission. System implementation 100%. 100%. Auto update. Project permissions automatically update. Configuration files. Git commands via bash tool now respect permission system. All TypeScript errors resolved in GitHub and CLI commands. Skill by default. Commits require permission. Pushes disabled. Respects existing Git user configuration. Optional branch restriction. Prevents accidentally large commits. Show context before operation. Never completely disable. Okay. Status. Okay. Integration. Let's see this. Can you analyze the features and make sure they were completed? Just one more time. Okay, you're still working. Foundation is solid and built successfully. The remaining work includes storage integration, connect with existing session storage, session chat integration, replace current token estimation, test. This hybrid system will eliminate the context crash you experience while preserving significantly more context. Yep. So what did we add? Dude, I'm like the worst prompter. Nah, I'm probably the best. I can't wait to try to get parity back with open code and see what see what's better and worse. Because they're opinionated, you know, they want to do their own thing, and in my opinion, they're gonna do their own thing. You know what I'm saying? I might help them out. You know, I might help them out a little bit. Update agents.index for Kazuku alignment. I found two issues where, okay, okay. Do we need the specific model? Hold on. That's how you solve it. What is the bug? Session permissions are granted but not properly checked. Test failures. All right. What is this? You know what? We're going to say create a plan. You know what to do. Create a plan to implement that final 30%. I'll be back. I'll be back when it's time to see where the food is now. How you doing over here? Look like they doing some programming over here. Okay, okay. Good, 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 good. Oh, it said good, good. Now let me check it out. Boom, compiles. Boom, good. Let me agree that session chat function. Boom. Boy, if you keep implementing that damn shit now, I'll tell you what, boy. Now I'll tell you what now. Yes, sir. I wonder what it's gonna use for caching. This is the best. This is the best feeling ever when you had so much trouble trying to figure out this damn project, and then you finally get it cracked, and you're like, now I can just vibe code all the things that I want to add. This plan will bring the Git permission system to center 100% actually ensuring the match is production ready. Of course, we're gonna have to audit this because yeah, that's how it is. Begin implementation. Ultra think. All right, I might it might be time for me to move over. I was hoping these would at least finish. 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 But they didn't. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Okay, so what do we have here? Excuse me, test. $65%? Hmm. Sounds bad though. I would say says it can't work and then it does work. I guess conversation would be chat, exploration, implementation, and review. So it would try to determine the conversation patterns and then go from there. Hmm. Hmm. Let's try this out. I want to try this experiment out. All right, time to start up Black Desert Online. That's what we're doing next. Doing next. I gotta end in. I gotta put in my oath. I gotta put in my oath. I gotta put in my oath. Hey, hey. It has the proper Kazuki branding. Hell yes. Hell yes. Okay. How does this rules dot page dun, 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 dun. Bum ba da ba da ba ba da bum ba da ba. Bum ba da ba da ba 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 da ba ba ba. What is this? I found one issue that needs to be fixed. The incorrect URL schema. Yes, edit it, please. Edit it, please. Editor, please. Editor, please. Editor, please. Editor, please. Uh-oh. Trying to move this over. Move it over. All right. I am moving into the, I guess, Black Desert Online portion of the stream. I'm staying in software and programming. I don't think it really matters. It don't even matter, no, it don't matter, it don't matter, they don't care. Oh yeah, it don't matter, no, it don't matter, they don't care. No matter. It don't matter, no, it don't matter, they don't care. All right, I need to copy my Discord. Copy link interest. Replace the Discord. I'm gonna say the Discord link for the @web /web needs to be Control V. Control V. Y'all haven't seen me play Black Desert Online in so long, guys. And guess what? I'm back because I am a little bored with all the games out there. And this is the only way for me to have fun. It's the only way for me to have fun. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, this is the only way for me to have fun. Seems to be that way. Join our Discord community. Hey, there we are. What was I doing? I feel like I can't hear anything. Oh, there I go. Oh, probably because I turned combat down. I got tired of hearing them yell. Oh yeah, I was trying to do these main quests. Not gonna lie, I probably should bank all this stuff, man. I hit level 61. I'm on a season server. I'm gonna finish the season stuff. Then we're gonna probably hop off this bitch and get in the real world. Although there is no real rush. I'm still working on this. I'm still working on this thing. Okay, keep the as is. It serves as a different purpose and then. Okay, so I need both. Hmm. There's a lot of quests in here too. All right. Let me go bank this stuff. Currency exchange. Let me give you that. Give you that. Okay, all that's in there. Um, what is this? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there before I do something stupid with it. Okay, I need that's 10 million. I can sell it. Let me just open this up. I don't want to open those. I think I have a all right, I know what to do with the rest of this stuff. Okay, let us yeah. Got my gear out. Okay, so we got pin. What is this? Turns one of your accessories to pin. All right. So then, okay, dope. They got a archaeologist map. Congrats. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is let's get this guy. Boo. Oh, my helmet. I can see it now. Before it was like bugged out. Okay, so we got that. Claim. Claim. Okay. Who do I have stuff in here? Yeah, collect silver. Got a lunchbox and stuff. Okay, nice, nice. Oh, give me that. Okay. Cool hair. Ref. All right, while I'm here, let me. I gotta repair it. I keep going back and forth. Oh, my Mac. What? That was weird. Okay. Oh, dope. I guess it worked out. Boom, we got a pin. All right, let me do my. I wonder if there's probably a better way to do this. Time to keep doing it. Oh, we're gonna get our max. My goodness. I'm gonna get every stack. My goodness. That's crazy work. I wonder if it's cheaper to just make Naru and go all the way up from it. Well, at least I got this and this together. So my weapons are solid. So people use Valks of this. Let's see. Let's try it. 30%. Boom. Bet. So we're at 232. Then here 232. My defense ain't that bad. All right, let me get my helm up. I like that I can, what is it, repair my gear from that same piece. It's just having to go through this dang thing every time. I just got this map. Oh my goodness. What a fucking waste. Yes, go ahead and just take these off. Enhancement. Yeah, I'm not gonna use Valks for the other one. That'll be a waste. I'm gonna use Did they even carry over 22? Oh damn. So I can. So what I was trying to figure out is if I could build stacks on one and then send it to another one. And it looks like I can. Okay, we got all that. Oh, where you at? I only have the damn boots left. Oh, I needed to repair it. I wonder if I can enhance directly from. You don't stop. I know it's. I know it's like. It's like, if it goes down, you ain't gonna be able to. You gonna lose your level, and I'm like, brother, I know I'm losing my level. Okay, I can't. I gotta like get. I gotta get like most of the way out. My goodness. Okay, we got full armor. Okay, now we need to get our ring. So here. I'm only getting increments of 5. Okay, let's do this again. So what I'm doing is trying to build up stacks on my ring. So I have the main ring I'm gonna use, and then I have the rings that I'm like leveling up to get this stack. Okay, so we're gonna value. Okay, shoot, I needed 5 more. And we'll do 5 more. I kind of want to save this for a necklace. You know what I'm saying? And now it's like even harder because I could. What is this? It's flat. Was that one of 60 to 64? I could put that in there. Plus 30%. That's 62%. Let's see. Boom. Yeah, I'll do that. Then we got these here, and then do a little heating while we do some processing. I'm gonna move over to some programming. Do some programming, prog. Gramming in the prog. Gramming on the prog. Oh, we're done already. Excuse me. I think I have everything processed. Ooh. Accidentally closed out of my message thing here. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Okay, so we now need to upgrade a necklace, belt, and an earring. Let's do the earring. We're gonna do 10. So I am playing this in Linux right now. It runs pretty good. Wait, I have two pin, two Vala ear. Hold up. Oh, these are from. Wait, did I not get a? Do I not have a duo? No, I stopped. That's what happened. Damn it. I know. Ooh. I don't know what I just did. Let's go. Watch me make bad decisions, guys. I don't want to fucking stay here at the Tuvala stage. Alright, now let's do some necklaces. Thing is, I didn't even need the earrings. I could have just. Get a 61 and then graduate. But it's always good to have them. Melt that down. And then now all we have is the belt. Fuck it. Fuck it. Thought we was gonna have a good run. I mean, I can't use it on anything else. I mean, could I? No. I know. And it still fails. I need to unlock more of those things. I know. Looks like I got a 65. Crazy work. You gonna let me have it? You're gonna make me fail. Damn. Damn. Didn't know the bell's gonna be this hard. Necklace was easy money. Maybe the necklace was always gonna be easy. Ah, that's what happened. I failed the 4. And then I just keep failing up. It's like, how do they? Should be probably enhancing on the tier 4. Like, try is easy. That tat, the pin, that's where it really matters. That's what I'm gonna have to learn. I'll just melt down the rest, brother. I'm just trying hard. Let's fucking go. We did it, boys. So now we're all pinned out. So now all we have to do is finish these two. Then I'm pretty sure we can just leave this. Oh, and well, I'll just process it faster like this. I think it helps with processing mastery. Some AFK work, you know what I'm saying? It's like everybody can do it now. Though I think I do have one class that is specifically for processing, maybe. Let me see. No. Getting our time stones back. I got 15K loyalty. Good thing I don't have any weight on me. I might follow Blue Squadron's video here. Hold on, let me see it. Let's see. Say Tuvala upgrade, and then he's like Ator's Power Stone. I don't have that yet. He said it takes like an hour or two. I should probably start that. For real. Like right after I get done processing all this stuff and like emptying out my bank. Well, emptying out my inventory. Yeah, I should go right there. Manage currency. What is this? Coco Summer Box. Corsair Training. How many do I have? 80? So I should try to get everything. Oh, I need to do this. Wukong Mount. Oh, yeah, dude. I need to do this for ASAP. Oh, yeah, I remember the Atanus. This saved my life. I like I have the currency window now. This is so helpful. Okay, we're done with that. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, so if you all are tuning in now, I was working on my AI project earlier. I'll be back Wednesday working on it. Let me turn up the game a little bit more for you. Tuvala. Yeah, I don't want to accidentally break my stuff now. Okay. Okay, got everything. Yeah, the crescent wing is way better. Shoot, I'm just gonna keep that on because it's gonna be gone. So I'm pinned everywhere else. I'm 247, 316. I need to figure out where. Oh, main. The Ulakita. Let's see. That gives me it at the end. Script. Ator's Power Stone. Yep. Okay, so that means we're just gonna start Ulakita. I'm gonna follow Blue Squadron's guide. That's what we're gonna do. Hey dude, how you doing? Let's go do. Can I not? Can I not do it? Awakening weapon, combat promotion, family gift. Okay. Vigars leveling aid. Okay. What is this? So obtain 50 family weight? Okay. Random. Quest. Okay, we got that. Dope. That was. Yeah, I didn't even know I had that on my account. I gotta open this up more often. A Kazarka main weapon? Hold on. Hold the phone. What the fuck? What the phone? Hold the phone. I ain't never seen this. Alright. I'm over here like, what is going on here? We're learning about the game. What is this? Flood and need? Alright, no. No. What I want to do is figure out. Maybe we should do some of the event stuff. Okay, Ataraxin. These are weekly. Okay. I need to get some of these quests completed that I have in my logs, man. Accident. Nostalgic for Velia. Alright. I need to figure out why I can't do Ulakita. So I have to beat Medea. Or Valencia. Media. Is that Calpheon? Okay, so I have to do that one. Okay. Hold on. So it's main. Wait, where's it at? Dude, I'm so okay, these are co-op, weekly, Valencia. So I gotta do I'm gonna do the media one. Where's my dang horse? Come here. So in order for me to do Olakia, I gotta do this dang media quest line. Or Valencia. And I'm not doing Valencia. I already have a mount, dude. They be steady trying to give me stuff, man.
Coomer outfit. What about second Coomer outfit? Yes, sir. I already have 3 of them because I accidentally bought the pre-order box thinking I was buying like.
See, how far am I? Probably be faster if I... Yeah, most definitely be faster if I fast travel there. Yeah, I put the game on the lowest graphics. Had to do it. Looks like it's on PlayStation 2, but it's fine. My computer might as well be a PlayStation 2. And we're in. Going down, down, down to the river. Took 11:48 p.m. in the real world. No, in the game too. Wow, that was crazy. It was at the same time. I didn't expect that. Thank you. Meet with this guy. Okay. Well, at least I'm not how far away are they? Oh, 2,000 some miles away. Yikes. Yeah, they really want me traveling. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it travel. Game's extra dark without the graphics and whatnot. One day I just need to sit down and just do all these quests if I can. It's like move to them, go to them, just figure it out. But while I'm doing this, we can do some programming, right? Document implemented. Let's see. This thing's been building for a minute. See, we'll have him do it. What was Big Buddy here doing? Oh yeah, you were looking over the documentation. Look, we made it. Yeah, because all I'm trying to do is these two right here. Let's talk to I don't think I need to change anything else here. Hmm. I wonder how. I don't know if I can do if it'll work. I'll have to create a better. I think everything is pretty good to go. Dope. This one's frozen. Okay. Boy, you're still missing stuff. Create a plan. I feel like I have a higher chance of implementing stuff with Sonnet. Create a plan to I feel like Claude for planning might be better, and then Sonnet for actually implementing the code. Just because Sonnet's a little bit faster. It's been my thought. Yeah, instead of putting that down, I'm gonna put that over here so we can get it when we need it. Yeah, I might do this. I might Black Desert Online and like program like vibe code and stuff, and then just like work on stuff. Like, why not, dude? I like doing my own thing. Okay. I gotta go defeat 70 mains. Yeah, let me get off this guy. Time to get some running in. Like, not like I am, you know what I'm saying? It's not like I'm on a time budget. Is anyone in the guild in? Nah. It's like only me and like one other person. Yeah, I need to beat 500 mobs anyways. So I don't want any of whatever y'all have. I mean, I guess I could have inventory space now. Combat, combat, combat. Making a little bit of money. Yeah, I love that right there. I think we're done. Yeah, it's just a blanket. Take out 100 enemies. Alright. We can get back to the VS Code. Okay, so what did it do? Let's audit this thing. And then we'll have to audit the audit. Excuse me. I'm most definitely going to build an audit tool. So that way we can build with this tool and then we can also audit it too. You know what I'm saying? Just go in this, and I was trying to do. I think I was doing way too much. I was trying to do like the terminal and everything. Like I should have just focused on making this good and better, published it, and then make the terminal app and build that in there. That way, you know. But I might just, you know, that's what I want to do. Because I want to get rid of this right here. Because I want to build a basic terminal app, kind of like this. But it'll be something. I guess I should be doing, I guess, Shangas too? Because I'm doing quests, and I mean, might as well. Oh, Wandering Rogues. How far is that away? You know, screw it. Come on, Terrence. You can run with me. I'll get there faster. Why not, right? It's like, what do they want me to take? Oh, rogues. All right. Yeah, I don't think I can use my what is it? I don't think I can use my awaken abilities unless I have my dough all the way up. Yeah, it ain't that bad though. You can do a lot without it. Let's take it 100. So by doing some of these quests, I'm just naturally gonna get to my 500 mark. Maybe you were grinding to 500. Easy peasy. I wasn't even trying to grind. I just want to get this dang quest unlocked. Oh, I can go this way. Okay. I thought there were more. There are more on the other side over here. Only need 6 now. Yeah, I'll just do this. Oh, and I need 3 more. There we go. And we're on the way back. Merge victorious. I think I can still. I think I can do this. I wonder if there's a skill instructor near there. Hold on. Where you at? Before I get too far. Yeah, it's fine. Let's go. I was gonna say I better get too far. Yeah, there's a skill instructor. Dope. Skill add-ons. I'm trying to remember which one was which. I think this one was. He said sort by ability. Hold on. Yeah, I'm trying to find the plus 30. Like there's no 30 AP anymore. Whatever. Suspicious tone. Suspicious tone. What's in the suspicious tone? This guy got a big old nose too. Alright, what do we got in here? His book's talking to me. I'm reading this shit. And unless it has voice acting, I'm not doing it. Go watch videos. What I gotta do to defeat 100 in the abandoned mine. Okay. Easy. Easy W. Oh, while I'm doing that, what does this do? Oh yeah, I was going over this. Let's build. We're gonna move that over there. We're gonna let it do its thinking. Yo, what up, I2? Not gonna lie. I could probably fight these guys out here. Probably better to go inside though. Sorry if I'm lagging. It's most definitely. Damn, bro. Chaotic. Damn, cursor over here is killing me right now. Maybe when I launch Kazuki, I'll be able to buy me a new computer. Mm. Why doesn't tell them I'm playing on Linux? Alright, we have 150 of these guys to take out. If I could see my frames. I know one thing. I need to get. If I took off the Steam overlay, that'll help out a lot because I have it on right now and I need to take it off. Normally kills my frames. It'd be cool if my pets could do some damage. But I know they never will allow that. Look, maybe this spot right here is just unoptimized. Probably there's a lot of dust in the air because it's mining. What are those NPCs? Need 50 more. I'm gonna go Super Saiyan. I'll probably do these quests here, and then I'm gonna hop off. 12, 14. Might stay here for the 100. So what's a few more. Probably could go to like yeah, this is fine. Hop back in here. Do another loop. Hit him with the paths. The oh shit. Hit him with the genjutsu. The paths of pain. Take bop. I felt like there were more enemies whenever we were doing the quest. Could have been. Guess everything in here counts as an enemy. Boom. Let's get out of here. Dang, I would have gotten it there. Defeat 100 helms. All right, let's get close to that area, and then we'll probably head out. But what does this give me? Contribution. Oh, some decent stuff. Some decent stuff. Oh, just the Tavala exchange weapon. Oh, okay. Some plus 80 Valks. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. How much is that? 3,000? How much is 3,000? Probably like $30, right? And if I get 30% off, so it's like 20, probably like $27, $28 still. Not bad. Like, let me get you with that. Let me get you with the discount, boy. Family. Some of those are pretty good. Dude, they got me running. Can't believe that. Yeah, I have Shenga. This is like nothing. These are all reoccurring, suggested. Oh, dang. We can't have you here, buddy. This is unsafe waters. We'll let you out here. Said I was done. Let me see. I love it. Now they want me to go to the mausoleum. Crazy work. We off. And we're here. All right, tell it up, Tomu. Okay, we're gonna figure and talk this. Oh, hold on. What are you going to talk about? Rumors of the knowledge ones. What's the next quest? Nothing. Need so and so. Okay, this is where I'm hopping up. Good night, guys. Love y'all. See y'all next time.